Hi everyone! Have you ever tried to save your pandas data frame to a database table, only to be met with a frustrating type error, init, got multiple values for argument schema? It's a common stumbling block, and today we're going to break down exactly why this error occurs and, more importantly, how to fix it quickly and easily. This error typically pops up when you're using df.to_SQL, with an sqlalchemy engine, and it's essentially Python telling you that you've tried to specify the database schema in more than one place. Let's dive into why this happens. When you use df.to_SQL, it takes several arguments, one of which is schema. This argument tells pandas and sqlalchemy which specific schema within your database the table should be created in or written to. The problem arises when you also define the schema within your database connection string itself. For example, if you're connecting to a PostgreSQL database, your connection string might look something like PostgreSQL plus /user password at host port /database, options equals search_path %3 dir_schema. In this scenario, you've already told sqlalchemy, through the connection string, which schema to use. If you then additionally pass schema equals your_schema as an argument to df.to_SQL, Python sees two instructions for the same schema parameter, resulting in that type error. It's like trying to give someone two sets of directions to the same place at the same time. It just creates confusion. Now, for the solution. You have a couple of straightforward ways to resolve this. Option 1, and often the cleanest approach, is to only specify the schema within your df.to_SQL. Call and remove it from your database connection string. So, your connection string would just connect to the database without a specific schema path, and your df.to_SQL call would look like df.to_SQL, your_table_name, con equals engine, schema equals your_schema, if_exists equals replace, index equals false. This ensures that the schema is passed unambiguously through the to_SQL method. Option 2 is the inverse. Only specify the schema in your database connection string. In this case, you would not pass the schema argument to df.to_SQL. Your connection string would include the schema path, and your df.to_SQL call would simply be df.to_SQL, your_table_name, con equals engine, if_exists equals replace, index equals false. Both methods work perfectly, but the key is consistency. Choose one place to define your schema and stick to it. My personal recommendation is often to define the schema directly in the df.to_SQL method. It makes the code very explicit about where the data is going, improving readability and maintainability, especially when you might be writing to different schemas within the same database from various parts of your application. Always double-check your connection string and your to_SQL arguments to ensure there's no duplication. So, the next time you encounter that type error, remember it's a simple case of too much information. Just pick one spot for your schema definition, and your data frames will be happily saved to your database tables. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you solve that pesky error, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Python and data science tips. See you in the next one.